Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Lena Talk. Today, we are going to practice English conversation with the topic, Favorite TV Show. This lesson will help you improve your speaking, listening, and vocabulary skills. Remember, practicing with real topics makes learning English more fun and natural. So, let's get started.
Hi, Emily. Do you watch TV?
Hi, Kevin. Yes, I do. I love TV shows.
Really? What's your favorite TV show?
My favorite is Friends. It's so funny.
Oh, I know that one. The characters are silly.
Yes, Joey always makes me laugh.
I like Stranger Things.
Oh, wow, that's scary sometimes.
Yes, but very exciting. The story is cool.
Who is your favorite character?
11. She is strong and brave.
Yes, I like her too.
Do you watch TV every day?
Not every day. Maybe 3 times a week?
Same here. I watch at night, before bed.
Nice. Watching TV helps me relax.
Me too. TV shows are fun.
Next time, let's watch together.
Good idea.
Great job! You just watched a very easy conversation. I hope you learned from it. Keep practicing and you'll get better every day. Thanks for watching and see you next time.